I'm back with Zenith Bank's Dr Ebenezer Onyeagwu to discuss Nigeria's current economic landscape, starting with recently inaugurated President Tinubu, who faces a whole host of challenges.
Yes, the president duly acknowledged the challenges of the economy. A few of them, if I mention, will be the issue of the multiple exchange rates, the issue of the fuel subsidy, the issue of inadequate power supply, high inflationary environment leading to high costs of doing business. He also communicated his determination to deal with these challenges head on. And I would say even in the early days, he's been bold and audacious to take some decisions, unifying the exchange rate and also stopping the fuel subsidy. These are painful decisions, quite all right. But I think what the president has just done is to say, look, Nigerians will find ourselves in a hole. Let's stop digging. But above all, he requires the cooperation of all the stakeholders to succeed. It's about every one of us collectively working to solve, supporting the government. We have to have some discipline. It's a question of saying, well, it's going to get a bit tough and rough before it starts getting better.
Now, Lagos has been positioning itself as a fast-growing tech hub. What's your view on this emerging industry?
Lagos is the commercial nerve center of the country. So you see about 80 to 90% of the tech entrepreneurs you have are operating out of Lagos. And there are well over 200 tech companies that are coming up, looking at several segments of the economy and developing very interesting and exciting digital products to deal with such human endeavors. And we at Zenith are at the forefront of encouraging this upcoming digital economy. Since 2019, we started having the annual tech fair. And what we do is we provide opportunity for upcoming tech entrepreneurs to showcase their products. We also organize a hackathon where at the end, we give cash prizes and we also put the finalists into an incubation program to commercialize their ideas. So tech is something that we are monitoring closely and we expect to be the main driver and advocate for that.
And what other industries are showing strong growth?
The non-oil export that cuts across different sectors. We also have the gas business. We have agriculture. You fly around the country, you see farming in Nigeria is largely subsistency. We need to mechanize it. Nigeria stands the potential of becoming the organic food basket of the world. Of course, FMCG, by virtue of the size of the economy, still remains a very, very viable sector.
Finally, for international investors looking at Nigeria's growth potential, what are the most important things for them to know?
The first thing I will always tell them is, don't come into Nigeria at lunchtime and expect to go back at dinner time. When you come in, just stay for the long haul. We go through cycles, but we hardly have huge bubbles and busts. So anybody coming to Nigeria have a view of being long in Nigeria. When you are short in Nigeria, it's not good for anybody. It creates unnecessary volatility. Zenith is available to partner with investors. So we look forward to welcoming them and helping them to navigate. Ease of doing business is being improved upon. Labor is readily available. If you need funding, Zenith will be there to provide funding for you. So we would like to welcome investors and say that, yeah, let's know your area of preference, but Nigeria is a huge opportunity. I see it like the treasure port of Africa.
Thanks for watching. Learn more at zenithbank.com or click now for more from this interview with Zenith's GMD and CEO. And as always, please subscribe for the latest international business insights from worldfinance.com.